Hi, my name is Chris Woods. Now, back in 1996, I had quite a serious road traffic accident which required me to have brain surgery and left me with quite an unsightly scar from the front to like an arc in the centre of my scalp. Now, I was always very worried about this. I was always very paranoid about how my looks and things, and I never really felt very self-confident for quite a long time. But I sort of accepted my scar after a while. You just have to put up with these things. Now, there was a while back there when I decided I was going to maybe see if I could, what my options were as to getting anything done, because I sort of felt a bit worried. My hair was receding backward, and I sort of thought, well, this scar is going to become more and more noticeable, and that started to make me more paranoid again. So I met a very nice man called Mark Smith, and Mark actually rang me and said, would I be interested in maybe trying his new micro-pigmentation scalp treatment? Now, I didn't know what that meant. So when I came and saw him, it was sort of like about scalp tattooing. Now, I had never really considered something like that before. I don't have any tattoos, but I was sort of a bit worried about it because I used to have a fear of needles, but I don't anymore. But I just thought this is going to involve a lot of pain. But I said, oh, well, fair enough, I'll give it a go. So I came down and saw Mark, and Mark told me what the procedure would involve, and I started thinking, I'll give it a go, why not? And after about 4 or 5 sessions, I honestly, as you'll probably see in photos that you'll see, I can barely see this scar anymore. I know the scar's there. My friends, my family will know the scar's there, but anybody else will never know that I've had a brain injury, or they would never even see a serious brain scar, head injury scar on my scalp. All thanks to Mark. So hopefully, thanks to his new pioneering treatment, I think I would recommend him to anybody and everybody who's ever had any paranoia or any, not the word shame, but any self-confidence issues about any type of scarring. So again, highly recommend it. He's changed my life. I thank Mark and think this is one of the best things that ever happened to me, and it will change my life for the better from this moment on. So thank you again, Mark. Much appreciated.